So the question is, what media distributors would want to represent our radio show and why?
Here we have a picture of a transmitter and a radio receiver, but this is a really old diagram because there should be a picture of a radio
tower.
Radio tower.
This is no diagram because this should be replaced. The tower on the left should be replaced by a newer radio tower.
Okay. Here are 4 books which we used when constructing our secondary research. In these books, they gave us information about the distributors, and as there are 4 books, there are 4 members of our group, so we all
found different information on different types of distributors. 2 examples of different types of distributors are commercial and BBC. But before, so BBC and commercial are the 2 split roughly at 50-50 between stations, and these are the common radio distributors.
We will be focusing on commercial. Here are the 3 main institutions of commercial radio, and global radio is the most popular, and they are
Bauer, UTV-Deb, and Global Radio.
The saying at Global is national brands delivered locally, and they are a really big company, so they have 2 offices in London and Los Angeles.
This is useful because then this gives them a larger target audience to distribute to. Another big distributor is Independent Radio News, and they distribute to some of the biggest radio shows in the UK. For example, Capital FM, Kiss, Magic, and
Classical FM.
As you can tell by the picture at the bottom, it's a picture to represent the distribution of news to each of these companies and how it's spread.
Ofcom is what gives the radio shows the license to broadcast. It's kind of like the health and safety of radio, and in order to be broadcasted you need this.
You need to get a license from Ofcom to be able to broadcast your show and actually make profit off of it.
So the main question we are asking is, why bother distributing our bulletin? And that's the reason why we do. And as you can see, if you read this article from Orion Media, it will say it too.
The reason to distribute our media product would be because no matter what, you will always make money.